In this video, we're going to show you how you can go ahead and enable the brand new YouTube Communities tab, which is a brand new feature which allows people to go ahead and have conversations beyond the comment sections on YouTube. It's huge for building up a community, and it's actually a brand new dedicated space for you and your audience to discuss videos, share fan art, trends, and build a sense of belonging right from your channel. It's an awesome brand new feature, and it's pretty easy to go ahead and set up. But before you do, make sure you're leaving a like on this video, sharing with some friends, and of course subscribing to the channel with all notifications on for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Once you're on the YouTube mobile app, simply go ahead and hit the U icon in the bottom right corner, and then go ahead and select View Channel. From here, you're going to want to go ahead and tap the little pencil icon that's just above the playlist section on your channel to open up your channel settings on mobile. Now, as of right now, communities are only available on the YouTube mobile app. They'll probably be added to desktop eventually, but as of right now, they're just on this. Now, as you can see, there's a section right here that says My Community. Go ahead and find this and turn that setting on. From here, that feature is going to be enabled. So you can back out of this section and you can visit the community here, and there's a bunch of different stuff. It's pretty much a glorified version of the post section that used to be in place of where this is now. But yeah, if you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below. You're welcome to head over to Boz Hub's community and post some stuff on there if you'd like, or check it out on this channel as well. Completely up to you, but before you leave, make sure you're leaving a like on this video, sharing with some friends, and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. Have a great day. Bye-bye.